I want to change could about one set ECU lot or change when I check that 2018 model. Inside also I change everything. This car one set. Need ECU, need few bulb, need bulb, few bulb, need lot change. How did yeah, all the gear cannot start. Key losa. They want that change. Lock car. One not check 2018 model. The one is one only cannot change now. Everything change. Change okay, very. That's that.